Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your key fob. You're going to need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 2032, and you can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. First thing you want to do is remove this key. So there's a little latch right here. You want to push that down and then slide your finger in there and remove the key. Now this is the portion that's going to be coming up. And what I like to do is put the key in just a little bit like that. Put your screwdriver here and just pry up like that. You can see how much pressure I had to apply, quite a bit. Now you have access to your battery. You can push out your dead battery just like this. Put that back in place. And then put your new battery positive side facing upward, just like that. Make sure that's all aligned. You can just push that key back in and then give it a good squeeze once you've lined it up. Press the button here and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.